हो मौत आ गई. All right, friends, I'm very stressed and I used to write some basic code 10 years ago. HTML, CSS में छाप रहा था. Please pray to God, everybody. आइए देखते हैं मजा आएगा. 20 साल पुराना coder can make it not run in 1 hour and one new vibe coder can make it not run in 5 minutes. So जब तक ये नहीं चलेगा तब तक our coding level is same.
I agree. How was your experience at the Solana event? What did you learn about hardware Solana?
Just one question. I think all the people are very, very passionate there. They built a lot of stuff and they were all very kind enough to explain it and it was a lot of fun. But still I don't understand what is blockchain. Like मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसे कि अगर मैंने इससे कोई गेम डेवलप करके ऐप स्टोर पे डाल दिया और अप्रूव भी हो गया तो वो जब फोन पे डाउनलोड होगा तो फोन को बहुत गर्म करेगा मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है. Yeah, then you need to create another AI to keep this AI in check or something.
This is why development won't be replaced, guys.
दोस्तों मेरे को पूरा याद आ गया मैं कोडिंग क्यों छोड़ा था भाई.
In this video, we have Biswa, who's officially a comedian.
Trying to ignore बच्चा इधर खड़ा होकर balloon ऐसा अंदर घुसा रहा है.
But he does have engineering roots. So we'll try to vibe code a web app with him. We're building a very simple coin flip app on Solana. It's one of the first games that you would build. We'll understand. Is it easy to vibe code an application, at least for a hackathon submission or a real product? Long story short, it's not that easy. You need to have your fundamentals right.
And do you believe that anybody can code?
After today, I would say no.
We struggled through 2 hours and were able to build a mild V1, but eventually I had to intervene and fix a few very obvious issues. The goal of the video is to prepare you for the Solana hackathon that's happening from 14th of this month. There are 6 tracks, $600,000 in awards. The link is in the description to register. Create a team, think of a product, and try to build it in the next 1 month. If you're new to Solana, you should join Super Team. It's a community of Web3 builders. If you want co-working spaces to work from, if you want to talk to people who are building similar projects, if you want to get your project ideas reviewed or general bug issues that you might have, a lot of smart people exist in the community, especially people who know Solana well. I also am a member. So if you have more questions, what to work on, things like these, linked in the description is the Super Team handles. Go join the community and talk to folks. Third call out on the last one. We're doing a mini hackathon in cohort 3 as well. So if you want to win $5,000 of a prize pool, and if you're part of cohort 3, we'll do a warm-up 1-week hackathon before you can actually make your submissions in Colosseum. So look forward to that as well with all 3 of these call outs. Register for the hackathon, join Super Team, and I'll see you in either the mini hackathon or the main hackathon.
Yo.
There you go. Finally. Hey, Biswa.
Hello, 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 hello.
Cool. Finally, we are here. So let me set some context on the people. They are mostly Web3 people, some from Super Team, the same folks that conducted that hackathon. And some of them are part of my Web3 cohort, which means they're learning how to code in Solana.
All right, friends, I'm very stressed and I used to write some basic code 10 years ago. HTML, CSS में छाप रहा था. और now I from what I have learned over one call is that and everything has changed. So I'm very nervous, but let's hope some website somewhat starts running, something happens. Please pray to God, everybody. I don't know what God you guys pray to. Coding gods. So please pray.
Someone said, please tell a joke before we start.
एक चिड़िया स्कूल जाती है तो उसको 20 मिनट लगता है और वापस आती है उसको 40 मिनट लगता है. बोलो क्यों?
No idea.
जब वापस आती है धूप होता है तो ऐसे करके आती है.
We'll have more of these as the call progresses, guys. I think we can get right into it. So, Biswa, you'll be the one coding. My hands are off. And we'll try to vibe code throughout, which means you don't have to code anything yourself. You'll ask an AI to do it and it'll do it for you.
Yeah, people are asking blockchain समझ गए क्योंकि मैं वो इवेंट में मेरे को blockchain नहीं समझ आता है. ठीक है, genuinely I can't understand it. Like something I really can't understand it. So in the event I was asking people क्या blockchain समझ आया कि नहीं. I still don't know what is blockchain. Somewhat I get it somewhat, but ऐसा मेरे दिमाग में कुछ clear idea नहीं है. Anyway, cool. So what do you want me to do?
Let's share the screen and let's show people what we're building today.
The next day.
Full screen कैसा होता है?
There we go. So we have a fresh wallet that Biswa has. It has $33 in it. And we're building a coin flipping gambling website that you can use to flip coins. So let's do a quick demo.
Disclaimer. It's only for educational purposes. I'm strictly against gambling. Do not gamble. Okay, friends? It's strict. It's only for educational purposes we're learning. Personally, I do not gamble. You also don't gamble. Okay, chalo.
We'll show a demo first. Dream 11 is a good idea, but a little hard to execute at the moment. But the easier idea is one of the first Solana games that still a lot of people use. In fact, this why if you scroll a little, you will see there's people flipping coins every 30 minutes, every hour. And the good thing as the platform is you make 3% fee on every flip over here. So the platform in the end, of course, wins. We're trying to build a very similar platform. Let's do a quick demo. We have 0.281 Solana currently in the wallet.
Yeah.
And let's try to gamble 0.1 on either heads or tails.
A few moments later.
And there we go. We won.
So easy.
Let's do it again. So we already won. If you go to your Phantom wallet now, you'll see the balance has increased.
Sorry, मैंने बंद ही कर दिया.
Let's open the wallet and it's up to $45 now, which is our original amount that we started with. We lost once before the call and we won back again after the call. Now the question is, how do you build something like this? So you told you know a little bit of HTML, CSS. So do you want to build this yourself a little?
I can try.
Let's spend 10 minutes and see, how much coding can someone do without AI.
Okay, cool.
One eternity later.
दोस्तों यही मेरा पूरा टाइम इसमें जाता था. मैंने इसलिए नौकरी छोड़ दिया. ये काम 2 मिनट का और क्यों नहीं चल रहा है 2 घंटे का, एंड देन इट टर्न्स आउट सेव नहीं किया है. समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, index.html. क्या दोस्तों क्या करना पड़ रहा है, मेरे को ट्रॉमा हो रहा है अब. फाइल यूजर इंडेक्स.
Just refresh.
A few moments later.
सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, क्या ये क्या एंटरटेनमेंट है भाई. चेकबॉक्स 0.1 0.2. ऑलराइट, एक्चुअली सारा को कॉपी पेस्ट करके फिर करता हूँ. व्हाट इज चैट सेइंग?
Saying average tier 3 student.
ओके, हो गया. अब इसको सेव करते हैं. सॉरी दोस्तों, शायद तुमने डायनासोर वर्कफ्लो नहीं देखा होगा कभी लाइफ में. तुम्हारे लिए कुछ सीखने के लिए ये चेकबॉक्स क्यों नहीं है, ये खाली टेक्स्ट क्यों आ रहा है. चलो सोर्स कोड चेक करते हैं.
Every 5 minutes, people have a demand of a joke. 5 minutes have passed, Peswa.
एक चिड़िया सड़क पे जा रहा होता है और हाईवे पे उड़ उड़ के हाईवे पे जा रहा होता है और एक गाड़ी से टकरा जाता है और फिर बेहोश हो जाता है, गिर जाता है. तो उसका एक शिकारी आता है, उसको एक पिंजरे में डाल के ले जाता है. फिर चिड़िया को होश आता है. चिड़िया से पिंजरे को पकड़ बोलता है, ओ शिट, लगता है ड्राइवर की मौत हो गई. चिड़िया को लग रहा है चिड़िया जेल में है भाई.
Relatable for, someone on this call.
बर्ड्स. ओके, आई थिंक इसमें ना प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि थोड़ा सा CSS पैडिंग नहीं है इसका.
The next day.
Perfect. This is great actually. So perfect.
क्या दोस्तों, कोडिंग इज 1%, कोडिंग 99%. चलो नीचे चाय पी के आते हैं. कैन यू जूम टर्न ऑन, यही है भाई. ओके, एनीवे इसको कॉपी कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Bug आ गया. All right, let's try it out.
ओके भाई, कर्सर आई हैव कम फ्रॉम चैट जीपीटी. तो इसे क्या हटा दो, कुछ सिलेक्ट?
Only one select is good enough.
अरे
Let's do it.
आई हैव.
भूल गए आप as always.
सेव करूं?
Yes, sir.
ओके, देखते हैं चैट जीपीटी ने क्या बना दिया जो मैं नहीं बना पा रहा था. index.html पे जाते हैं भाई.
So I think we're at the junior developer level right now.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
But we need to up our game. So what we can do is we can make the website very pretty. But since we're struggling so much with HTML, CSS will be even harder.
Yeah.
So what if we use an AI? So there are 2 new tools in the market. One is called Bolt. One is called Lovable. Let's try Bolt. So if you go to bolt.new, someone said junior developer, unpaid internship भी नहीं मिलेगी. Someone said it. Non-technical founder.
Meanwhile.
कर्सर को बंद कैसे करते हैं?
Just open the application नीचे से and press Command Q.
भाई कौन सा एप्लीकेशन?
Cursor, the editor that we were just using. We don't need it anymore.
कर्सर को बंद कर दूं? मुझे लगा मैं माउस कर्सर को कैसे बंद कर दूं. इसको क्विट करूं?
Quit कर दो बस.
हाँ, कर दूं?
Yeah, just quit it. Quit it.
ओके, सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, सॉरी. क्या करना था?
Now Bolt. Now comes the most important part of a vibe coder, of a non-technical founder, of someone who's going to replace all developers, is prompting the website as well as you can. कि हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं वो जितने अच्छे से explain कर सकते हैं. That's what will help us here.
मैं करूं फिर?
Yeah, let's do it. आप ही करें. हाँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ.
Meanwhile,
एक बार यश, बिस्वा और किरत, तुमको किरत बुलाते हैं, हर किरत बुलाते हैं?
Kirat is good, yeah.
किरत नो, हाँ। तो एक बार यश, बिस्वा और किरत एक आइलैंड में फंस जाते हैं, ठीक है। तो उधर कुछ होता नहीं है। तो वो लोग ऐसा जो जो खाना होता है सब खत्म कर देते हैं, सब एकदम ही मरने पे आ जाते हैं। तो फिर वो लोग एक बार बीच पे वॉक कर रहे होते हैं और उनको एक बॉटल मिलता है। तो वो लोग बॉटल को लेके दो चार बार मारते हैं तो उससे जीनी निकलता है, ठीक है। तो जीनी बोलता है कि मैं तुम तीनों को एक एक विश दूंगा, ठीक है, जिसको जो मांगना है मांग लो। तो यश बोलता है कि भाई मैं आई एम अज्यूमिंग बैंगलोर से हूँ, मैं बैंगलोर को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ 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 मुझे बैंगलोर भेज दो, मैं बैंगलोर को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ। तो जिनी उसको बैंगलोर भेज देता है। फिर किरत से पूछता है कि किरत तेरे को क्या चाहिए। तो किरत बोलता है कि मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, तुम दिल्ली से हो?
Hmm.
हाँ, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। मैं दिल्ली को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ, वो दिल्ली भेज। तो जिनी बोलता है डन। किरत दिल्ली पहुंच जाता है, यश बैंगलोर पहुंचा हुआ है। फिर जिनी बोलता है बिस्वा तेरे को क्या चाहिए? बिस्वा बोलता है यार यार, मैं किरत और यश को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ, काश वो लोग यहाँ पे होते हैं।
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह।
और दोनों वापस आ जाते हैं। ओके कूल।
All right, these are GitHub credentials.
the next day.
भाई मेरे को पूरा याद आ गया मैं कोडिंग क्यों छोड़ा था भाई।
Perfect. So a perfect prompt to describe our website.
ओके। अरे भाई, अरे सॉरी यश, आई क्रिएट मॉडर्न प्रोफेशनल। ओके कूल 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 भाई, हट जा हट जा हट जा हट जा हट जा, मैंने पूछा ही नहीं। इसको बीच में रोक नहीं सकते ना?
You can just go back to the landing page and create a new one.
क्रिएट, तो इंग्लिश लिखा मैं, क्रिएट वेबसाइट where we flip a coin to win or lose. So points or what?
Yeah, so they should really describe the application well. So this is a big statement. You should even explain that there should be 6 buttons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get a website with 6 options to choose from, ranging from
Perfect.
point 1 to point 6, and one button to perform an action of flip. Actually, ये correct नहीं है, 2 buttons.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, 2 buttons. One to choose heads and another to choose tails. And no matter what button is clicked, flip a coin and give a randomized result of the coin flip. Yeah, ये सही है.
Very cool. Just one thing is let it know, if the person wins, then double. We need to return them the money, double it. If they lose, we keep it.
Wins, double their money, and if they lose, keep them.
One more thing, we haven't yet mentioned this needs to be on the Solana blockchain. So
Create a website on Solana blockchain.
maybe one more thing I would add, just to make our lives easier, because it's easier if we add more details here than debugging later. One more thing to add would be, give it all the steps. So just add below this, when the user clicks on the button.
अरे यार,
It's fine. Let's see what it does.
क्या है अभी? वेबसाइट किधर देख सकते हैं?
There's a preview. There you go. So it's just showing it to you in 1 second.
हो मौत आ गई, कहाँ पे बैक बटन था मेरे दोस्तों? वो भी चला गया, छोड़ो भाई। बोल्ट डॉट न्यू अगेन,
Again,
बोल्ट डॉट न्यू।
start everything from beginning. That's not the worst idea. We can do that. एक बार preview देख कर लेते हैं इसको.
हाँ वही।
Let's see how close it is. But the thing about AI is it is easier to just reprompt the thing from scratch than asking it to fix it.
या बट ये एक वेबसाइट बनाने में इसने कितना, मतलब कितना कितना पेड़ काटा होगा?
क्या बोला तूने?
अरे भाई,
So we need to now hook it up to Solana. So if you click on code, let's try to read the code थोड़ा.
हाँ कहाँ पे कोड?
src.
गिट इग्नोर। ओके, आई एम इग्नोरिंग। इंडेक्स में कुछ नहीं है, इंडेक्स इज गेटिंग रेंडर्ड बाद में, तो इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं है HTML में, ठीक है, वो बाद में रेंडर होगा। पैकेज डॉट, ओके दिस इज व्हाटएवर।
The next day.
क्या करना है अपना? सोलाना को कॉल करना है ना बटन दबाने पे।
The best thing is, see, we don't understand any of this. We are vibe coders. So we need to explain it
कोडिंग।
what we're doing right now, even though we're not vibing very well. But vibe coding, if you don't know, there's a very nice video on YouTube you should check out. We can check it out together.
Okay.
And it shows basically non-tech people now aggressively trying to replace engineers and the concept is called vibe coding कि हम तो vibe करते करते कोड कर लेते हैं.
भाई मुझे सच में पता नहीं था कि तुम कोडिंग भी करते हो। मैंने बस Win12 के वीडियो में तुमको देखा था कि तुम्हारे पास बहुत पैसा है।
Unfortunately for me, it's like money keep getting stacked, and then at some point we're like, it's too much cash to keep, so we put it in a house, or no, we put it in a house.
Okay, cool. Let's
चलो एक दो जोक ऐसा बीच में एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए। हाँ,
this one's good.
ये एकदम मैट्रिक्स फिल्म देखा है तुमने?
हाँ, exactly.
पसंद है तुमको?
Mid experience, don't love it, don't hate it.
What?
Yeah.
When are you born? After 2000 or what?
नहीं, I was in 96.
Okay, क्योंकि I'm a big Matrix fan.
Yes.
We just have to wait. It's doing its thing. How confident do you feel after this? कि you can code $1 million website SaaS now?
I'll tell you honestly, I'm feeling much less confident with this because I don't know इसमें कुछ error रहेगा तो how I will ever catch, और
Right.
like vulnerabilities रहेगा कुछ, मतलब मेरे को बस ऐसा है कि मैंने मान लो ये सर्वर पे कमिट करके मैं घर चला गया, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि 10 मिनट बाद मेरा फोन बजेगा और कुछ इशू हो रहा होगा, एंड देन आई वुड नॉट नो हाउ टू सॉल्व इट। लाइक अगर
Right.
मैं खुद से लिखता ना तो मुझे पता रहता है कि मैंने यहाँ से छापा है, so if there's a problem comes in debugging is easier. I don't know if this AI can, like, I don't know, I can't, it is working, but I don't know if you can actually trust this for any level of enterprise application or anything.
That's perfect. We're going to cut that in a short, and all developers will be super happy. Yeah, vibe coders are not replacing them just yet, but that's actually perfect explanation.
सच है कि क्या है?
Yeah, this is what people want to hear. But we non-tech people are super woke कि नहीं, we can replace. So it's this whole conundrum that's going on in the coding industry right now. Okay, on one side, people are like they will get replaced, and then the other side, people are like you need to know your fundamentals. वरना नहीं हो पाएगा. I am on your side. I also believe the same thing.
Yeah, because ये तो लिख तो दे रहा है, but then what? मतलब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इसमें?
Exactly.
Yeah, then you need to create another AI to keep this AI in check or something. Again, I don't know, not that I can do it, but I don't know if this is the most efficient code.
Yes, in fact, this is all client-side code, which remember this is actually very hackable. So people can actually keep winning every time and keep making money based on how we're writing it right now.
That, and also like if you're like, I know computing power is no longer a problem, but I think this is taking too much computing power to do something very simple. That's what I feel like.
It's cheap for sure. It's much cheaper than a developer. This will probably charge us a few cents for what we're doing.
No, that's fine. But the code itself that you're writing, I don't know if that is like, I don't know. It could be. It could be much simpler, taking less computing power or whatever. Like मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसे कि अगर मैंने इससे कोई गेम डेवलप करके ऐप स्टोर पे डाल दिया और अप्रूव भी हो गया, तो वो जब फोन पे डाउनलोड होगा तो फोन को बहुत गर्म करेगा, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है।
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का।
You know what I'm saying? Like a developer would might be able to optimize it for कि मोटा मोटी ही विल नो कि जब ये बंदा गेम में इस लेवल पे है तो इस टाइप का मूव करेगा, सो विल ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर दैट प्रोसेसिंग पावर।
Right.
बट इसमें तो मतलब इट्स, आई फील, आई डोंट नो, इट्स मशीन लैंग्वेज।
All right. I think AI is now hallucinated or it's taking a lot of time. Not much we can do other than I think a machine is just being a little slow.
हैज इट नॉट फिनिश्ड? लिख तो दिया।
So a lot of this is happening on your local machine, right? And since your machine might be struggling, तो अभी वो कर रहा है. As you can see, नीचे terminal में there are commands running, right?
ओ ये चल रहा है अभी।
Right. Now
That's the thing. This is like, भाई बट एक चीज मेरे को ये भी बताओ कि जैसे हमारा होता था, आई वर्क फॉर वेरी स्मॉल कंपनी ओनली एंड आई यूज्ड टू डू प्राइमरीली लाइक ग्राफिक डिजाइन, और साइड में मेरे को कभी कभी वो, क्योंकि उनका बंदा जो था वो छुट्टी पे चला गया, तो आई हैड टू समटाइम्स राइट दी HTML, और फिर
Right.
बाद में उन्होंने मेरे को बोला था कि तू HTML कर ही रहा है तो इस पे जावास्क्रिप्ट करके कनेक्ट कर दे करके, सो दैट्स ऑल आई नो। बट डजंट द लाइक, जो हमारे डेवलपर्स होते थे, मैंने जितना बात किया है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि दे यूज्ड टू राइट द कोड इन सच ए वे दैट the next person that comes in can easily understand the code. That used to be a requirement.
yeah, that's half the job, especially in big tech, बड़ी companies में, startups में कुछ भी चलता है, but companies are actually making money and hiring the most. A lot of focus is on this tests, making sure कि अगर एक developer चला भी जा रहा है तो people can replace them easily, which is the hard problem. AI will have its own quirks, but there we go. There is a select wallet button at the top right. The problem is we don't have Phantom. We disabled it, but as soon as we enable it, it starts to break for us. So we're stuck in a
But
We are-
okay, understood the point.
Yeah. So what we can do right now is, I think this will work. We just need to test it. Let me test it on my machine so that, because I'll make it run somehow on my machine, and we can go from there. So can you share the public link? Or can you click on, is there a share button? Maybe click on deploy at the top right.
A few moments later.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's another reason why people love this vibe coding. Okay, you can actually end-to-end deploy and have your domain name BiswaCoin. We can buy biswacoin.com right now and actually launch it.
नहीं ऐसा सब नहीं करते हम लोग एजुकेशनल पर्पस के लिए गैम्बलिंग वेबसाइट बनाए 2000 like 20 साल पुराना कोडर can make it not run in 1 hour and one new vibe coder can make it not run in 5 minutes. So efficiency is zero when the ऊपर जीरो ही है तो जो इससे भी डिवाइड करो वो जीरो ही हो रहा है भाई. जब तक ये नहीं चलेगा तब तक our coding level is same.
And my machine is struggling as well.
But if you're in a company, he'll be earning like 20 times more than me. So how is this fair, guys? Anyways. Mhm.
You make a good point. But that is very true. It's like very unoptimal how salaries are there in tech. Someone really dumb could make a lot of money.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
Yeah, it's not opening, dude. What do we do?
This is why, no, hello, friends. Now, if we're building this website with our bare hands and with our blood and sweat, we would know exactly where to go and what to fix. But now we're at the mercy of the AI. If it, can we try telling the AI कि ये Phantom का bypass कैसे करना है? नहीं करने देगा ना?
No, it won't understand that. We'll have to run it locally, or we'll have to deploy it on a legitimate URL.
Got it.
Right.
Got it.
Deployed in this ugly looking URL, which is why it's not working.
Okay. Got
So-
it.
And it's not exporting either. Like I click on download, it's not downloading it. So let me copy all the code locally jaldi se. And meanwhile, the audience and chat is all yours. So you can, I don't know. I think people want to hear
Do you
jokes.
have ad blocker blocking from download, Harkirat?
The next day.
All right. So I've been able to clone the code locally finally. मैंने यहाँ से code export किया. वैसे तो चल नहीं रहा है. It's a white screen. And already you can see there's a problem. So it won't work in the first go. We have 9 minutes to make it run and quickly do a coin flip. Right.
दोस्तों मजा आया भाई. This is a film with two tragedies. ऐसा होता है ना फर्स्ट हाफ में कोई एक वो लायन किंग में जैसा नहीं होता उसका पापा का मर्डर हो जाता है फिर वो सेकंड हाफ में बदला लेने के लिए जाता है.
Right.
इसमें पहला हाफ में मेरा मर्डर हो गया और फिर सेकंड हाफ में तुम्हारा. ठीक है कोई रिडीमिंग ही नहीं है. घर जाओ भाई. भाई मजा आया दोस्तों. कब है नया नेक्स्ट हैकाथॉन सोलाना का कब है?
It's happening on 15th of this month. So 15th is when it starts.
15th April. And is it in Bangalore or where is it?
This is an online hackathon. It'll happen for a month. This is the page. It's called Colosseum Breakout. This is the UI for it. But long story short, what you're interested in, these are the prices. There is a university award for people who are in university. It's 10K. And general tracks are these. There is a Deepin track. We know Deepin, Biswa. Deepin hardware, air tracking, humidity.
Oh. Yeah.
There's a Deepin track. There is stable coins. Do we know stable coins, Biswa? USDC?
Yeah, stable coin is basically उसका प्राइस गिरता नहीं है.
Correct. It's pegged to the dollar. Correct.
पर मैंने एक बार में परफॉर्म करने के लिए जा रहा था एक जगह पे और गिर गया था प्राइस. भाई जीरो चला गया एक स्टेबल कॉइन.
I know what you're talking about. Luna.
या
Yeah. Good times. Good times. Like two-
मोस्टली नहीं गिरता है पर जब गिरता है तो सीधा खत्म ही हो जाता है दोस्तों. हाँ एनीवे.
Right. There's DeFi, there's AI. So here is a good idea I have. Try to build something like Bolt. Try to make it slightly better. Add payments using Solana. Bolt charges $20 a month. Charge something similar, but add payments using Solana. The reason I say it is because very hot thing right now. Biswa, do you know they reached 20 million ARR in 2 months, like 140 CR annual revenue, 2 months after they launched.
Who Bolt?
Bolt, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, pretty hot market.
Indian company?
No, all foreign founders.
Okay.
Gaming, yeah, if you want to build games, infrastructure, good one to do if you generally are looking for a job and consumer.
Infrastructure मतलब क्या? फ्लाईओवर. सोलाना ब्लॉकचेन पे फ्लाईओवर. ओके एनीवे.
Yeah, very similar, but the RPC I was talking about, so that lets you connect to the blockchain, something like that. Machines that are running Solana validators, consumer applications, anything close to, I don't know, Facebook on Solana, NFT marketplace on Solana.
Understood.
Users can talk to each other on Solana.
Understood. Very nice.
Prices are, you're so
Stable coin, on stable coin.
it's on your face. How disinterested. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's about the hackathon. I think every year at least 2 teams from India go, and if you do win the hackathon, there's a chance to get 250K in funding from the Solana Foundation. So please sign up, guys. And that's pretty much it. I will definitely finish the project. I'll vibe code it in 5 minutes after the call ends. I'm under too much pressure right now, and I'll make sure it runs by the end of it. I'll send you a video, Viswa, and if you want, you
But
can.
I also like to say that actually it's good that मतलब कि अगर हो जाता और चला भी देते, people have a tendency to think that some people are just born with some sort of genius, or like there is some magic to things that but this is a good example of you just have to spend more time on things and then just make them work. That's it, right?
Yeah, it's about struggling. That's half the battle. What coding is, struggling through the issues. Earlier you could do it directly. Now you can ask an AI to do it. But either way, the problem statement remains the same.
And do you believe that anybody can code?
After today, I would say no.
Yeah, two of us can't, but I think
Good
but
one.
I think everybody else can. I
Yeah.
think so.
I agree. At least people can try. But yeah, you need some fundamental knowledge to actually be able to, All right. Thank you, Viswa.
Thank you, and thank you, chat, for sitting through the painful 1 hour that I have given you with my coding. And you guys are very sweet.